Hello everyone! Welcome back to Writing Tutorials. Today we're going to learn how to write a winning resume for teachers, and in this video, I'll walk you through each section step by step, explaining what to write, why it matters, and how to make every part stand out. Before we dive in, let's start with a quick definition. A teacher resume is a professional document that summarizes your teaching experience, education, certifications, skills, and achievements. Its main goal is to show school principals and hiring committees that you're not just qualified on paper, but that you can create impact in the classroom, support students, and contribute positively to the school community. A winning teacher resume is clear, well-organized, and achievement-focused, not just a list of duties. Now let's go section by section and explain everything in detail. Check this out. Header. Name and contact information. Let's start with the very top of the resume. This is your header, and even though it looks simple, it's extremely important because it tells the employer who you are and how to contact you. What to write here is your full name, your address or city and state, your phone number, your professional email address, and optionally your LinkedIn profile. Here is the full sample header. Emily R. Carter, 3287 Brookside Avenue, Madison, WI 53704. Phone 6085558126. Email emily.carter@email.com. LinkedIn linkedin.com/in/Emily R. Carter. Now let me explain this line by line. Your name should be the most visible part. It represents your professional identity. Your address or location shows where you are based, which helps schools know if you're local. Your phone number and email must be professional and active, because this is how interview invitations come in. The LinkedIn link is optional, but very powerful if it's updated, because it adds credibility. Tip to make this section winning. Always double-check spelling and numbers. One small mistake here can cost you an interview. Professional summary. Next is the professional summary, one of the most important parts of a teacher resume. This is a short paragraph that gives a snapshot of who you are as an educator. What to write here is your teaching experience, your teaching style, your strengths, and the value you bring to students and the school. Here is the sample professional summary. Dedicated and student-centered elementary school teacher with 7+ years of experience, delivering engaging, standards-based instruction in diverse classroom settings. Proven success in improving student performance through differentiated instruction, data-driven teaching strategies, and strong parent communication. Passionate about fostering a positive learning environment where every student can succeed. Now let's break this down sentence by sentence. The first sentence introduces your role, experience level, and teaching approach. The second sentence highlights results, not just effort. The final sentence shows your passion and teaching philosophy, which schools care deeply about. Why this section is important. Many principals skim resumes quickly. This summary helps them instantly see why you're worth reading further. Winning tip. Avoid generic phrases. Be specific about your experience and impact. Certifications. Now let's move on to certifications. This section proves that you are legally and professionally qualified to teach. What to write here is all relevant teaching licenses and certifications. Here is the sample. Wisconsin Teaching License. Elementary Education. Grades 1 to 6. ESL Endorsement. CPR and First Aid Certified. Why this matters? Schools cannot hire unlicensed teachers, so this section builds trust immediately. Tip to make it stronger. List the most important certification first, especially the one required for the job. Education. Next is the education section. This shows your academic background and teaching foundation. What to write here is your degree, major, university, location, graduation date, GPA if strong, and honors. Here is the sample. Bachelor of Science in Elementary Education. University of Wisconsin-Madison, Madison, WI. Graduated May 2017. GPA 3.9/4.0. Honors Dean's List Teaching Excellence Award. Let's explain this. The degree and major show your specialization. The university and location add credibility. The GPA and honors highlight academic excellence. Why this section is important. It shows that you have formal training in education, not just experience. Winning tip. Only include GPA if it's strong, like in this example. Professional teaching experience. This is the core of the resume. This section proves what you can do in real classrooms. First teaching role. Elementary school teacher, 4th grade. Lakeside Elementary School, Madison, WI. August 2019. Present. Now let's look at the bullet points. Increased student reading proficiency scores by 28% through targeted literacy instruction. Designed engaging lesson plans aligned with state curriculum standards. Implemented differentiated instruction for diverse learning needs, including IEP and ESL students. Integrated technology, Google Classroom, interactive whiteboards, to enhance learning outcomes. Maintained consistent communication with parents through conferences and progress reports. Created a positive, inclusive classroom culture supporting academic and social growth. Each bullet starts with a strong action verb and focuses on results and impact, not just tasks. Why this works? Schools want teachers who improve outcomes, not just follow routines. Winning tip. Whenever possible, use numbers or measurable results. Second teaching role. Elementary school teacher, 3rd grade. Northview Academy, Madison, WI. August 2017 to June 2019. Sample responsibilities. Delivered core instruction in math, science, reading, and writing to 24 students. Developed classroom behavior management system that reduced disruptions by 40%. Collaborated with grade-level teams to plan curriculum and assessments. Participated in professional development focused on literacy intervention strategies. This role shows growth, teamwork, and classroom management skills. Key teaching skills. Now let's move to key teaching skills. This section helps your resume pass applicant tracking systems and shows your strengths at a glance. Here is the full sample. Curriculum planning and lesson design. Classroom management. Differentiated and inclusive instruction. Student assessment and progress tracking. Parent-teacher communication. Educational technology integration. Collaborative team teaching. Why this matters. Hiring managers often scan this section quickly to check if you match the job requirements. Winning tip. Match these skills with the job posting whenever possible. Leadership and extra involvement. This section shows that you go beyond the classroom. Grade-level team leader, 2022 to present. Mentored new teachers and supported curriculum planning initiatives. Led monthly data review meetings to track student progress. After-school reading program coordinator. Designed intervention program for struggling readers. Helped improve reading levels for 85% of participating students. Why this section is powerful. It shows leadership, initiative, and commitment to student success. Professional development. This section shows that you are a lifelong learner. Literacy intervention strategies. Workshop 2023. Classroom Technology Integration Training 2022. Social Emotional Learning in Elementary Classrooms 2021. Why this matters. Education is always evolving, and schools want teachers who grow. References. Finally, we end with references. Available upon request. This keeps your resume clean while showing professionalism. To make your teacher resume truly winning, always remember this. Focus on impact, be clear and organized, and tailor your resume to the school and position you're applying for. And that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching, and if you found this helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to Writing Tutorials, and I'll see you in the next one.